friends, welcome to my channel Ride Android. In this tutorial we will learn how to use list view in your Android apps. So before the starting list view, first of all we understand what is list view. List view is a list of scrollable item can be displayed in Android using list view. It helps you to displaying the data in the form of scrollable list. User can then select any list item by clicking on it. List view is default scrollable, so we do not need to use scroll view or anything else with list view. List view is widely used in Android application. A very common example of list view is your phone contact book, where you have a list of your contact displayed in a list view, and if you click on it, then user information is displayed. So the list view is widely used in Android application, and list view we use adapter to fill the data in a list view. We simply use adapters. List items are automatically inserted to a list using adapter that pulls the content from the source, such as array list, array of database. List view in Android Studio. How? List view is present inside a container from where you can drag and drop or virtually mobile screen to create it. Alternatively, you can also use XML code to create it. Let's see it here. Open your Android Studio. So go on design, and here you can go on container, and you can see here. So you can check here legacy and list view. You can drag and drop here, otherwise you can go on text here, add one list view, wrap content, and first and wanna add another here text box for understand purpose. Wrap content, sorry, I want here match parent. Okay, so here's some warnings, remove it. Go on main activity.java file, and here create one, add here your IDs of text view and array list view. So text view, second list view, and add one string array to store the content of the list view. String str equal to, here you just add double quote strings. So simply I want to add here A, comma B, comma C, and here add D. I add alphabets in this list view. So create one here, find its ID by using typecasting. List view equal to list view find by view by ID r dot ID dot, here we not added this list view ID equal to list, and here for text box there is no need for add ID for text box, but we added here ID text. So go on here main activity.java, and here get ID for list, and for again for text view same text view, and find view by id r dot id dot text, and again we here add one list view for this. Here we add a array adapter because of we are added a string array for this to set contents to list view. So we use array adapter string array adapter string, then create this object array adapter equal to new array adapter in bracket nothing, this comma android dot r dot layout dot simple list item 1, and finally add this is array here comma str final semicolon, then set this list view dot set adapter to array adapter, and when we click this any item of this list view, so simply show what we selected in toast. So simply list view dot set on item click listener. Here you need to set item click listener, then here add new adapter view dot on item click listener. In this method we store this string from this list view and then print it. So simply create one string message for storing this content of the list. That's why here we use list view dot get item action position, get item position into your pass parameter for this item position, then to store for this is in string, so use toString method, and then finally toast this method toast dot mega text get application context comma where print this message and set length of toast dot make a short dot show, and finally here our version so run this project on emulator. So we can see here our project now compiling. So here you can see here our default scroll bar in list view. So simply we are select, you can see it shows the message of selected item in toast. So here we add one another thing is on selector to on focus this what we selected in list view. So here we add one another attribute in this list view, that is the list selector, and here we add a simple color here. So I want to here green color. So this code is hash 0f0 brackets. So here set here, again we run our application. Here we select A, so you can see here our toast here, and we have selected item is marking as selected as green color.